Hey, what's up, future generations? Just wanted to share with you an amazing new offer that we are having launching this Black Friday. It is called Nature's Medicine Cabinet. It is something that I have been not only doing for my family for the last, I would say, forever, last 20 plus years of wellness, for myself, but 10 years of a relationship with my wife, 7 years of marriage as of today. Happy anniversary to us at the time of this recording, November 24th. 6 years of my daughter, since being parents, and different iterations. And so I'm going to go through what that is today because I think that you have been asking me for solutions or what to do, and then also like different supplementations, different ways to support. And I'm going to go through that today. And it's broken down into uh, four or three general categories. The top are health foundations, the middle are daily and kind of system supported supplements. And then the bottom layer is usually where people start. Usually, like, give me something for sniffles, give me something for fever, give me something for coughs. And honestly, those protocols are less effective if you're missing the things on top. And so we're going to talk through that today. I hope this is less than 10 minutes long because it should not be too involved. It's more about consistency than everything. And here is my screen. Actually, let me bring that over because I feel like I need to do this the right way. Let me pull this guy. No, we're good. We're good. Let's do it this way. Okay, so let me share my screen. You're going to be able to see this slide. It is, let's see where, boom, boom, and hopefully you can see that. Okay, so Nature's Medicine Cabinet, the top part, health foundations. I'm going to go through the middle four first because those are the things that you can do literally starting now. Sleep and rest. I start there because we are in a go, go, go society. And honestly, we are flooring the gas, and most of us have no breaks. If you've done your HRV in our office, if you've measured your nervous system, you know that we are hypersympathetic, hyper fight or flight, and we rarely engage, and we don't quite have time for that rest relaxation system, the parasympathetic system. And so sleep and rest well, we could say, 6 to 8 hours. I would say more than anything, this is a consciousness, right? It is a quantity, but it is also a quality. People sometimes tell me, hey, I really try to sleep better, but it's like, actually, no, it's actually letting go. It's actually not trying at all. And sleeping is something I honestly have one of the biggest struggles with, just being totally indoctrinated by by the military. So every time I get to bed early, every time I do it, it is one of the single most refreshing things. Sometimes I ask on the first day, do you actually feel refreshed in the morning? Most cases, people are saying no, and it's not because, more than anything, is this hasn't become an optimal habit. So you can see blue light glasses, those enhance things. Incandescent light bulbs, those enhance things. We don't quite realize that most LEDs are super blue, super white, and you can get different bulbs, you can get different wavelengths, but I would say moving all the way back to the old school incandescents will change your life. Blue light glasses will change your life. Changing your phone, I don't know if you've ever seen this setting, but you can change your accessibility on your phone where, see how red that is? You can push this key button 3 times and it changes, right? And so that's a setting. We'll probably drop a link on how to actually do that. Sleep more than anything. Movement and play. Movement moves your body. Movement moves every cell in your body. People say movement is life. Movement is also lymphatic drainage. So people have bounders, people have trampolines. I would just say get outside, get you and your kids playing. My kids and I built this tower thing the other day. We jumped off it probably 100 times. And I would say my son starts a stopwatch in the morning. Instead of having a pedometer to count his steps, he's counting the number of times he jumps off of things. Movement and play couldn't be more important than anything, especially if you play like children do. If you adult could play like a child does, your life, the joy that you feel, dramatically transformed. Real whole foods. If you ever want to study the best book on nutrition, it's a simple book written by a journalist by the name of Michael Pollan. The book is called In Defense of Food. He says, if I could summarize this entire book, it would be 7 words. Eat food, not too much, mostly plants. Carnivore people, don't come at me. I would just say generally, if people followed that, dramatically change your life. Eat food, meaning none of the processed junk, none of the seed oils, all the toxic crap. Just don't do it. Not too much. Don't eat too much. Eat till you're about your 75% full. Mostly plants. I love hydration as a part of this. I believe hydration is a part of food. I think hydration is a part of nature and sunlight. I think nature or food or water is also a part of movement and play. But I include it because it's consumed. That water and hydration, so key. Some people say, do I drink alkaline water? Do I drink acidic water? Drink water. Make sure it's free of toxins. Some people say, don't drink distilled water. Some people say, only drink distilled water. Don't drink reverse osmosis. It robs your cells. I've interviewed so many people, and what they say is just make sure it's clean. If you want to get into structured, if you want to get into remineralization, we're going to get into that into everyday essentials. My 2 favorite supplements to add to water, diatomaceous earth, iris sea moss. Everyday essentials, you absolutely must have those minerals to literally support the hydration of your body. Nature and sunlight, these things are black and white to me, right? If you're under artificial light all day long versus outside in the sun, it is black and white. If you're grounding versus not grounding, it is black and white. If you are literally breathing your biome, as Dr. Zach Bush would say, in nature versus sitting in a cubicle, it is black and white. Most of us maybe spend a few minutes outside. Most of us never touch the earth with our bare feet. Nature and sunlight, I would say, is one of the most free and key things that if you got grounding every morning and evening with the sunlight changing, right? Sunrise and sunset, hitting your skin, hitting every photoreceptor in your body, your circadian rhythms would normalize. You would literally be in touch with the earth, which is an exchange of energy of an infinite number of free electrons in the world. Honestly, if you did that every single day, it would change your life and your immune system, every other system. So the 6 foundations, or the 4 middle ones, are capped in by the 2 most important. I'm going to start with getting adjusted. Most of you are patients. Getting adjusted, in my opinion, and I'm biased, is the most effective way to regulate your nervous system. We're going to talk about other ways to regulate your nervous system, but the chiropractic adjustment, the neurospinal system, by far and large, sends more pound for pound information into your brain at any given moment than any other system. So any stuck trauma, any stuck stress, any stored patterns, muscle memory, tension, inflammation, dysregulation, we can all measure in our office, is optimally removed, restored, and released from the body with a chiropractic adjustment. I am biased, but I've seen it 16 years of clinical practice. The single most important thing to have passively done for you or your kiddos is nervous system focused chiropractic. Breath work, hugely important. Red light, I would say incandescent, very important. Infrared sauna, super important for the nervous system. Cold plunge, super important. Direct cold exposure, whatever you want to do it in, super important for your nervous system. An empowered mindset, an empowered heart set. I swear, if there was one that operates faster than the speed of light, that can change your state of mind and your state of your body in an instant, I promise you it is having an empowered mindset. What does that mean? It's not just positive thinking. It's believing you're a miracle, right? One of the first things we talk about in our office, that rule number one, is that your body is self-healing and self-regulating. To me, it's not a matter of if your body is smart. The question to me is, what is the wisdom of your body trying to say? If you start and end there, that this miraculous self-healing, self-regulating nature of your body is your foundation, is normal, is your root, then you immediately change the worldview that you see the world and how you operate in the world. That you are not a mistake, that the things that you're going through are not mistakes, they are happening for you, not to you. It immediately moves you into the state of the victor versus the victim, into optimism and hope, away from pessimism and cynicism. I promise you, if you can pour into your mind every single day, you will dramatically shift the trajectory of your health for the better, 100% free and faster than the speed of light. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about it in owning your EMFs, right? We're worried about electronics. We're worried about, 5G. We're worried about all sorts of toxins. The ability for our system to be resilient and self-healing and self-regulating, most adaptable, is owning the magnetic nature of the feelings of our body, owning what we feel, and owning the thoughts that we put into our mind, that we allow to fixate on our mind, is the electrical activity that we send into the world. And then the feeling of our body draws back to us whatever it is that we're aiming to magnetize in our life. That might seem for you a little bit too out there, but at the end of the day, it's just how it works. It is literal science. It is the most important science that I think you could ever learn. The best practice that we're going to share a link towards is Tony Robbins and his priming in the morning. It's about a 15-minute process that includes breathing, that includes movement, that includes visualization, that includes literal incantation of yourself and what you aim to create in your body and mind. That creates an internal resiliency that makes everything else work better. Like I said, faster than the speed of light and 100% free. Everyday essentials over here on the left side. Everyday essentials, and this is not my research. This is based on what even the best, I would say, diets today in the modern American world, modern world in general, are deficient in certain things. Number one, cod liver oil. Arguably the most important supplement that I ever recommend. Cod liver oil, specifically, if it has remaining in it the naturally occurring vitamin A. Ours has naturally occurring vitamin A and naturally occurring vitamin D. And that is super, super important because those fat-soluble vitamins allow you to actually optimize the ingestion of essential fatty acids. The EPA and the DHA, the omega-3s, dramatically deficient in modern diets. Magnesium, arguably the most important mineral. They say we are, 75%, 80% of the population is deficient in magnesium. Which magnesium do you take? I don't care. Why don't I care? Because at the end of the day, if you ingest it, your body has so much wisdom in it that it could literally create a sufficiency wherever it's needed in the body. Are there specific ones for specific conditions? If you want to use it in a therapeutic sense, go ham. But at the end of the day, it's mostly just consuming it. Vitamin D3, vitamin K2. Yes, sunlight is better, but vitamin D3, in my opinion, the one neurohormone that is the most deficient, largely because we are not in nature enough. We're not exposed to the sun enough. We're afraid of the sun. We're always putting on sunglasses and, toxic sunscreen, right? We don't need to get into that today. Mineral supplementation, as I said before, diatomaceous earth, food grade, make sure it's food grade. And it is the most pure and amazing form of silica. Silica, by and large, sometimes you'll see it in that Mountain Valley spring water. Sometimes you'll see it in mineral waters. And you see it because it is one of the most important minerals that bolsters the infrastructure of our soil, but it's also one of the most effective ways to draw out toxins. IRC moss, I think there's over 80 different minerals in this actual supplement. I mix about a teaspoon of each in a bottle like this, and I drink it every day. not because I want to treat something, because my body is so starving for it, and I can literally feel the hydration in a better way, and as is the same with all the other supplements as well. So on the right side here, detoxification boosters, immune boosters. Honestly, this could be one category. I don't really like the fact that people say that there's immune systems and detoxification systems, and they're kind of contradictory. In my opinion, it's actually just one system. The immune system isn't just a bunch of cells that protect you. It's actually this entire system that orchestrates your natural resiliency, and whether it's sniffles, whether it's coughs, whether it's fevers, or all these things that we view as bad, right? They're all smart, right? We could argue that they're all good and they're all smart, right? Within reason, right? If you have a fever that's over 106, your body should shut down. It should shut you down, sometimes knock you out. Some people have febrile seizures, and we think those are always, they're always scary, but they're not always bad. And what your body's actually doing is shutting it down so it can actually have a reset. If you have a fever that goes upwards of 108, just know that your brain tissue is going to start to break down, and you're missing protective mechanisms where your body's actually supposed to shut down when it's pushing 106. Rule of thumb, super important. If you have a fever, if your child has a fever of say 104, and yet you're engaged, you're playing, you're drinking, you're eating, you're energetic, you're talking, you're laughing, is that an issue? And is that worse than somebody who has a fever of a 101 or 100.1 that's lethargic, that's listless, that's not responsive, that's not playing, that's not eating or drinking? It's not the number, it's the behavior, and it's the functionality. All of these supplements, these boosters, dramatically help your body in prevention and supportive of virtually every external factor out there, right? Meaning detoxification, I put that there because I believe Epsom salt baths are some of the most important things to do every day. NAC and quercetin are the two, I would say, most modernized supplements that came through the COVID era. Is very, very fundamental at helping you kind of deal with the new kind of circulating stuff. Bone broth and fermented foods, in my opinion, the types of foods that help your body bioremediate itself, meaning fermented foods naturally, ton of bugs, right? Ton of bugs, beneficial, they call it bacteria. In my view, just healthy foods that allow your system to break down and further get rid of all the other things, all the trash that's in your body. Bone broth, very, 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 very similarly, whether it's the actual marrow or it's the actual minerals from the bones, all of it totally clearing of your system. If you've never had a glass of bone broth while you're stuffy, right? And if you add a little bit of like ghee or some sort of fat, butter, tallow, coconut oil, you will literally draw all the stuff out of your sinus cavities, largely because that's what it's meant to do. Immune boosters, these are more like vitamins and supplements. Vitamin C, vitamin A, very, very key. Vitamin C uses the same receptor as sugar in your body. Sugar downregulates your immune system. Vitamin C upregulates it. Vitamin A, hugely important for lung health. Most, in my opinion, optimal in animal organs and glandulars. Very, very important, naturally occurring, but it's not a horrible thing to have a tincture of vitamin A. Zinc, super effective at preventing things from actually getting into the cells and messing and wreaking havoc. Raw local honey, I love raw local honey. Why? Because and propolis, it is a food that is of your natural ecosystem, right? Sometimes we go to Texas to visit family, and I was stationed in Texas for 5 years. Whenever I would be in Texas, I would literally get so stuffy. And one of the most effective supplements that it's not even a supplement, it's a food, was raw local honey, because the actual pollen and the way that it is, made naturally of the ecosystem, it actually helps prime your immune system for what to expect. And you actually feel dramatically better because your body actually starts to heal. I've actually heard through actually one of my medical doctor family members that raw local honey is actually the first line recommendation for coughs when medical providers are looking through their actual tests. It's just never used because it's not patentable and because it's not a pharma product that they can recommend. Um, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a probiotic. It is also one of the most powerful tonics that you can have. Not only supportive for your digestive system, but super, super supportive at just cleansing this upper system and all the EENT. You could shoot it, right? A teaspoon, or you can put that teaspoon in a bottle of water or a mug of warm water with a teaspoon of raw local honey, and you have an amazing little daily tonic that could drastically improve the effectiveness of your body's ability to defend, but also clean itself out. Echinacea, if there's one herb I recommend everybody have in their medicine cabinet, it is echinacea. It is actually very high in CBD, but it is one of the kind of cornerstone herbals that can help your immune system and your detoxification systems purge and clean. When we get into specific fighters, right, we're not gonna go through each of these in detail. Digestive, earaches, fevers, cough, sinus, congestion, sore throat, natural antimicrobials. I like to start on that side mostly because I love these. I love oregano oil. I love garlic. I love colloidal silver, and I love elderberry. Why? Because I find that they are almost like a reset button that helps virtually all those kind of immune conditions on the left, right? Each one has either a classification of essential oil. I would say the kind of governors of these, in my opinion, are lavender, peppermint, frankincense, and if you're a young living person, thieves. If you had those four only, it will dramatically change your ability to kind of meet and defend you or your children from virtually anything. Homeopathy, very specific to the said condition. I'm going to say specifically Nux vomica is one of the most important for not just digestion, although it's listed there, but stress and overwhelm. Spongia, very, very, very popular in this post-COVID world. The cough that kind of lingers. Spongia is one of the most foundational homeopathics that you could actually carry in your pocket at any moment's notice, right? Belladonna, super amazing for general, but especially for fevers. And then when you look at things like earaches, ear infections, chamomilla, pulsatilla, and aconite, so radically important. Things that you can actually just include, which we have not covered yet, grapeseed extract. I love the supplement Xlear, 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 both for infants and for adults. The adults have multiple ones where there's kind of like capsaicin in some of them, but mostly it's just a saline and grapefruit seed extract. In my opinion, one of the most effective ways to just clear out the EENT. But humidifiers, neti pots, overall warm compresses, garlic and mullein oil, bentonite clay, super radically important if your bowels are just super loose, and they can tone that down a little bit. And magnesium if you need to actually move your bowels. That can come as an oil or a lotion on your actual stomach topically, or you can do that as a supplement. What we're offering as a Nature's Medicine cabinet is through FullScript. We've actually created a protocol, and that protocol has in it 20 to 25 different supplements. And those 20 to 25 different supplements have so many of everything that I just listed. And so FullScript has, it's a doctor protocol only. Their products are vetted. I go in and actually select some of the top companies. I love some of these amazing companies that we that we included in this actual order. I think we can put that protocol in. Let me change this real quick and see if I can actually see it. Because I wanted to show you what products are actually in there. And what I don't see, I actually don't even see it anymore. That's crazy. Let me see if I can find this. That's lame. Plans. Okay, we will find out what it is, but basically what it is, it's about 25 different supplements. Retail is around $525. For Black Friday, we are taking $50 off and we're actually reducing that to $475. It is every single thing that we listed, that I listed in the Everyday Essentials, in the Immune, in the Detox, except I'm not making bone broth for you and I'm not making fermented foods for you. Um, all of those supportive, specific, from fever to coughs to everything, sore throat, sinus, earaches, digestive, natural antimicrobials. Basically, I took every single one of those supplements and categorized them and brought the best ones from Fullscript. If that's something that you would love to take advantage of, I highly, highly encourage, because when you do, you'll actually be in our system and you'll be able to refill at any moment's notice from this exact amazing sourcing that most people have the hardest time with. You go into Jimbo's and Escondido, you go into Sprouts, you go into any of these different places, and you're like, wait, which one do I buy? And honestly, it does matter, in my opinion. It does matter, one, if it's quality, because it's going to determine effectiveness. In my view, the supplement world is very what they call the Wild West sometimes, and it's my attempt to make this as simple for you as possible, because if we can do that, then at the end of the day, you're just going to get a better idea of everything that you're just going to get better results. And so here, let me show this to you because I think I actually just found it. But it doesn't. Let me see if it can actually show the brands. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Let's go back here and share again. Sorry, this is going to be a little bit longer than anticipated, but here we are. Okay, so Seeking Health, D3 and K2, CMOS from CodeAge, liposomal magnesium threonate from CodeAge. I love magnesium threonate because of how it actually regulates and helps regulate the brain and the nervous system. NAC from Claire Labs, one of the cleanest brands in the world. Quercetin from Vital Nutrients. Vitamin C from the Global Healing Center. I love this company. We may just like clear it out for that one company because their products are so, so good. Seeking Health Vitamin A. Apple cider vinegar gummies from Trace Minerals. Propolis spray. We have this in the office. Propolis immune support spray and Propolis nasal spray congestion support. I love these personally. Throat sprays and nasal sprays, I believe, are so radically important for helping your body just stay as clean as possible. Spongia tosta, the cough homeopathic, Apis mellifica. This actual one I actually included because people are actually getting stung by bees, in my opinion, more than we have in a long time, and I've heard that more than anything. Bee sting relief right there. Arnica montana, the classic pain relieving homeopathic. Belladonna, as I said previously, for fever. Pulsatilla for ears. Nux vomica for digestion. Trace Mineral mouth rinse. This is a colloidal silver mouth rinse. A garlic melon oil for kids. Garlic from Standard Process. Organic elderberry and echinacea. This product is amazing. Bentonite clay from Trace Minerals. Cod liver oil from Vital Nutrients. I loved this label. This is not a company that I've used before, but I loved their content. I loved what the breakdown was. I love the naturally occurring vitamin A that was actually very, very high. Grass-fed beef organs, as I said, the best source of fat-soluble vitamins and vitamin A. Kids clear and adult clear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Supplements, like I said, about 525 retail, and we're going to gift that to you at 475 during this Black Friday sale. In my opinion, like I said, so radically important. This is something that I wish somebody gave me early on. I did all of this essential research essentially by myself before I became a chiropractor, and then I learned about why certain products and certain companies were better than others. And these, in my opinion, are far superior. And I'm so grateful that you are interested. And in my view, this is going to be a game changer for you and your family. We have seen for years that the things that were working before are still working, but they're not working as good. And this Nature's Medicine cabinet is going to help you be able to do all the amazing things that you know you need to do to help your body and help your kids self heal and self regulate to prepare you now for this season in particular, but for all those to come. Love and appreciate you guys all, and can't wait to hear how this helps your whole family navigate